Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. Do you want to enhance your Roblox gaming experience by running multiple game accounts? With a few simple steps, you can enjoy playing different games simultaneously. Let's explore step-by-step guide on how to do it. The first thing you want to do is click the GitHub link in the description of the video, and this will lead you to this blog strap. Here, scroll down, and in the assets, you can see this first blog strap V2.5. Click on it and it will start downloading. And once the download is complete, click on it and you will land on screen like this. Now what you have to do is scroll down and turn on this allow multi-instance launching. You want to make sure that's on and then click on save. Next you want to do is search for play Roblox. A screen like this will pop up saying starting Roblox. Now I'm going to join my private server. Okay, let's say you want to play on two accounts right now, and again you will see starting Roblox. You want to log out of that account, then you just want to log in your second account. Right now I'm logged into my second account and I'm going to join my VIP server. As you can see, by following these simple steps, you can run multiple Roblox accounts on PC and enjoy playing different games simultaneously. Whether you want to explore multiple worlds or participate in different activities, running multiple game clients can enhance your Roblox gaming experience. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.